What's up, guys? So found some time today to do this. It's not the prettiest, but it should work. I'm really bothered by that. That's probably just because of me, but I'll clean it up eventually. But we're gonna install it today. So yeah, let's get to it. So I kind of got it in there. Testing. Might be good just for now. Don't really care for what the bag's doing, but kind of got it in there like how I want. I'm still trying to work this down. And put some stuff on there just to make it a little bit tighter. We'll see how it goes though. So I got these little screws. I'm probably just gonna end up threading it in the long run, because I'd rather have a threaded piece. I just bought that tool, the tap and die set, so probably gonna be testing that out here soon and just make this a threaded shifter. But for now, I'll just torque these down like a mofo. Make sure it ain't gonna go nowhere. Oh, guess that's gonna go somewhere before the shifter, huh? So yeah, it came with like these little like adapters to hold that on there. And then, fuck, to be honest, that probably should have went into this and then threaded on. But you know, I do that. You know? Let's see. I made my own threads, it looks like. Shit. Yeah, we're good. Fuck it. I'd say we're solid. Made my own threads in the plastic. Made sure they were torqued down. I think we're good. Just gonna keep twisting these on. Guess that's good. A couple more. Some on this front side. That might be a cross thread. Ain't nothing different than a normal day. Just fucking send it. So yeah, I'm thinking about taking a little zip tie as well, so that'll stay up. Throw a little zip tie, unclip that, pull it up, put a zip tie in there, and then it shouldn't fall down. And it's not the prettiest, I'm not super happy with it, but it's good enough. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of these shifters either. It's just a quick, easy option, you know. I like the original one, but only with the 6-speed. Alright, and there we go. Shifter is installed. Gotta fix that next because I fucking hate that. Yeah. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. There's fifth. That was third. Reverse. It feels alright. Feels pretty good. Let's see. Probably pointless to do this. Feels good. Speed shift, bop, 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 bop. Feels good. I don't think it's coming off either. Hopefully it's good. Oh, 360. Yeah, I like it. Now that I'm looking at it, it actually looks sweet. Let's see. Oh yeah. Much better.